Happy New Year, space explorers! We have just finished another orbit around our sun, filled with celestial wonders and boundless curiosity. Any idea what 2024 holds for space enthusiasts like us? Today at Youniverse Revealed, let's get a sneak peek into the Astronomy Calendar for 2024. You can call it the calendar to the celestial events that will grace our skies throughout the year. From meteor showers to eclipses, you are in for a celestial treat. So let's get started. January 25th, Full Wolf Moon. The first full moon of the year will be the Wolf Moon. It is so named because this was the time of the year when hungry wolf packs were known to howl outside the camps of tribal groups. February 8th, Alpha Centaurid Meteor Shower. Get ready for a celestial light show in early February as the Alpha Centaurid Meteor Shower peaks around February 8th. Active from January 28th to February 21st, this shower is known for its peak rate of meteors and is a captivating event for skygazers. February 9th, Super New Moon. A supermoon occurs when the new moon coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth. Embrace the darkness with a super new moon on February 9th. Utilize this lunar phase to explore the night sky in pure darkness. February 11th, Saturn at solar conjunction. On February 11th, Saturn will be in solar conjunction, aligning with the Sun. Although not visible, this event marks the beginning of Saturn's journey into the evening sky. February 24th, Full Snow Moon. Witness the full snow moon on February 24th. It is known as the snow moon for the heaviest snowfall and the hunger moon due to the challenges of hunting during this time. March 14th, Gamma Normid Meteor Shower. Originating from the constellation Norma, the Gamma Normid Meteor Shower remains active from February 25th to March 28th and peaks around March 14th. Brace yourself for a fantastic celestial show. March 20th is the March Equinox. Celebrate the arrival of spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere with the March Equinox on March 20th. The equinoxes are the only time when both the northern and southern hemisphere experience roughly equal amounts of daytime and nighttime. March 25th, Worm Moon. Americans identified this full moon as the Worm Moon to refer to the period when the ground softened and earthworms reappeared. Also March 25th, the penumbral lunar eclipse. On the same day, March 25th, the moon is set to traverse the Earth's penumbral shadow, resulting in a penumbral lunar eclipse. In this type of eclipse, the moon passes through the Earth's partial shadow or penumbral, causing a slight but incomplete darkening. The moon will be 95.6% within this shadow. April 8th, total solar eclipse. Mark your calendars for a rare celestial event. The total solar eclipse on April 8th. During this event, the moon will entirely block the sun, unveiling the stunning outer atmosphere known as the corona. This will be a rare event for viewers in the United States. April 21st, Comet 12P, Pons-Brooks reaches its brightness. Witness the brightening of Comet 12P Pons-Brooks on April 21st as it reaches the closest it has ever been to Earth. With its magnitude rising to 4.2, it would even be visible to the naked eye. April 22nd and 23rd, the Lyrids Meteor Shower. The Lyrids Meteor Shower has a peak rate of around 20 meteors per hour. Happening annually from April 16th to 25th, the shower is set to reach its climax on the night of April 22nd and into the early morning of the 23rd. April 23rd, the Pink Moon. The April full moon, also known as the Pink Moon, will grace the sky on April 23rd. It symbolizes the arrival of spring flowers. May 4th and 5th, Earthshine Mornings. Earthshine, also known as Da Vinci Glow, is when the unlit part of the moon becomes visible. Explore the waxing and waning crescent moon phases in April and May, which also is the best time for Earthshine mornings. May 6th and 7th, Eta Aquariid Meteor Shower. The Eta Aquariid Meteor Shower shoots up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak on the 6th and 7th of May. This above-average meteor shower will peak around the new moon, so observers can enjoy the darkest sky until sunrise. May 9th, Mercury at greatest western elongation. Witness Mercury at its greatest western elongation on May 9th, making it an ideal time to observe the planet in the morning sky. Look for Mercury low in the eastern sky just before sunrise. May 11th and 12th, Earthshine Nights. Earthshine Nights will come again during the waxing and waning crescent moon phases in May. Look for the unlit part of the moon becoming visible once again. May 23rd, Flower Moon. The full moon of May, also known as the Flower Moon, will occur on May 23rd. It is known for the abundance of spring flowers. June 21st, the June solstice. Witness the June solstice on June 21st, marking the longest day in the northern hemisphere and the shortest day in the southern hemisphere. June 22nd, the full strawberry moon. June 22nd will bring the full strawberry moon in the constellation Sagittarius. It is named after the berries that grow in the northern hemisphere around this time of year. July 5th, Earth's aphelion. On July 5th, Earth will reach aphelion. That is the farthest point from the sun in its orbit. July 21st, buck moon. Experience the buck moon on July 21st, marking the time when male buck deer grow new antlers. This moon is also known as the thunder moon and the hay moon. July 22nd, Mercury at greatest eastern elongation. On July 22nd, Mercury reaches its greatest eastern elongation, making it the perfect time to observe the planet in the evening sky. Look for Mercury low in the western sky just after sunset. July 28th and 29th, Delta Aquariids meteor shower. July will also bring with it the Delta Aquariids meteor shower. This produces up to 20 meteors per hour. The shower runs annually from July 21st to August 23rd, and it peaks this year on the night of July 28th and morning of July 29th. August 12th and 13th, the Perseids meteor shower. The Perseids meteor shower is one of the most popular annual meteor showers. It releases 60 bright meteors every hour. The shower runs annually from July 17th to August 24th, and it peaks this year on the night of August 11th and the morning of August 12th. August 14th, conjunction of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter will come very close in the pre-dawn sky, passing within 0.31 degrees of each other. August 19th, blue moon. A blue moon occurs once every 2.7 years. This moon will be the third of 4 full moons in a season. Typically, each season has 3 full moons, but occasionally, due to the 29.53-day lunar cycle, a season may have 4 full moons, with the extra one being termed a blue moon. September 8th, Saturn at opposition. The ringed planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the sun. It will be brighter than any other time of the year and will be visible all night long. September 18th, corn moon. Find the corn moon, which is also a supermoon, on September 18th. It is called the corn moon and also the harvest moon because corn is harvested around this time of year. This full moon occurs closest to the September equinox each year. Also September 18th, a partial lunar eclipse. On September 18th, there will be a partial lunar eclipse. This happens when the moon moves through the Earth's shadow, but only part of it goes through the darkest part. During this event, some of the moon will get darker. People in North America, Mexico, Central America, South America, the Atlantic Ocean, and parts of Europe and Africa will also be able to see this event. September 20th, Neptune at opposition. On September 20th, Neptune will be at opposition. This means it will be at its closest point to Earth, and its whole face will be lit up by the sun. It will be brighter than usual and visible all night long. This is a great time to look at and take pictures of Neptune. September 22nd, September equinox. September 22nd will be the September equinox. This is when the sun shines directly on the equator, making day and night almost the same length all over the world. It marks the first day of autumn in the northern hemisphere and the first day of spring in the southern hemisphere. October 2nd, annular solar eclipse. People in Argentina and Chile will get to see the annular solar eclipse this October. During this eclipse, the moon will cover the center of the sun, and those watching will see a bright circle around the moon, often called the Ring of Fire. October 7th and 8th, Draconids meteor shower peak. Watch out for the Draconids meteor shower, which is known for its occasional meteoric outbursts. It can be best viewed in the early evening. The shower runs annually from October 6th to 10th and will peak this year on the night of the 7th. October 17th, Hunter's moon. Also known as the travel moon and the blood moon, the hunter's moon on October 17th comes at a time when the leaves are falling and men are ready to hunt. October 21st and 22nd, Orionids meteor shower. The Orionids meteor shower comes from dust grains left behind by the famous Halley's Comet. The shower runs annually from October 2nd to November 7th and will peak this year on the night of October 21st and the morning of October 22nd. November 4th and 5th, Taurids meteor shower peak. The Taurids is a long-running minor meteor shower which will peak on the night of November 4th. This meteor shower gives you a long time to experience its beauty right from September 7th to December 10th. November 15th, Beaver moon. Also known as the frosty moon and the dark moon, the beaver moon comes at that time of year when people used to set the beaver traps before the swamps froze. November 17th, Uranus at opposition. This will be the best time to look for Uranus because the blue-green planet will be at its closest approach to Earth. November 17th and 18th, Leonids meteor shower. The Leonid's meteor shower is unique because it has a cyclonic peak around every 33 years where hundreds of meteors per hour can be seen. It last occurred in 2001. In 2024, the peak, or the best time to see it, is on the night of November 17th and the morning of the 18th. December 7th, Jupiter at opposition. The largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, lies opposite the sun in the sky and is visible all night long. December 14th, the Geminids meteor shower peak. The Geminids is the king of the meteor showers. Considered by many to be the best meteor shower in the night sky, it produces up to 120 multicolored meteors per hour at its peak. Originating from the constellation Gemini, this shower will run from December 4th to the 20th and peak around December 14th. December 15th, full cold moon. Enjoy the dazzling sight of the full cold moon, known after that time of the year when the cold winter air settles in and the nights become long and dark. December 21st, December solstice. On December 21st, the northern hemisphere will experience the longest night of the year, and the southern hemisphere will see the shortest night of the year. December 21st and 22nd, Ursid's meteor shower. Cherish the celestial show of the last meteor shower of the year, which is the Ursid's meteor shower. The show runs annually from December 17th to 25th. It peaks this year on the night of the 21st and morning of the 22nd. So as we navigate the celestial events of 2024, we must know the importance of looking up at the stars. Whether it is observing meteor showers, lunar eclipses, or just the shining planets, the night sky is an endless source of wonder. Grab your telescope, binoculars, or simply step outside to experience the beauty that unfolds above. May your nights be filled with the splendors of the universe.